And don't mind my voice, I have a super sore throat and can hardly talk. So, first up, we have cozy cabins. We're going to get 60 images here. This is when we are subscribed to, so this is an access. There are many different cabins here. Cabin in the mountains. Cabin, oh, I love that cabin on the water. I would love to be there. This is an interesting looking cabin. A timber frame cabin. So some of these look, they're drawn, some of them are cut. But there is a cabin here for you. All right. Let's go back. Now we have build a town. Got a fire station. Again, this is subscribed images, so this will be for access. Little parts of a town. Stop sign, streets, buildings. You know what this would be cute for? You could do like a... Little kids like to play with their little cars. You could do a mat on the ground and take and build a whole town. They can decide how they want their town and have their little cars go on it. That would be fun. All right. This one, funny drinking phrases. All right. You deserve a beer today. You do. I have mixed drinks about feelings. That's funny. Don't mind that on there. That's really funny. I make beer disappear. What's your superpower? I know somebody I could make a shirt for with that. That's funny. Beer because no great story starts with a salad. I like this one. Squats. I thought you said shots. That's too funny. I have my daughter's boyfriend for Christmas got me a sign for the bar and it said yoga pants. No, yoga class. I thought you said pour a glass. Same kind of thing going on as there. That's funny. Single, taken, vodka. Some peace, love, and tequila. Oh, don't mind that. Okay. Why limit happy to an hour? Right? You know, my parents live in the villages, and I made them a sign that says, welcome to Tom and Suzette's, where every hour is happy hour. Because that's how it is in the villages. It really is every hour is happy hour. Don't worry, beer happy. It's funny. Peace, love, and vodka. This one. Hangovers are for amateurs. You know what? I mean, hangovers, you know what hangovers are also for? Hangovers are also for people over 40. Because I don't know what it is once you turn 40, but drinking will give you a hangover. You better not go to bed without your ibuprofen or Tylenol. Am I drunk? Yes, no, I'm going to take that as a yes. Whiskey makes me frisky. This one, it's shot o'clock. Kind of like it's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's funny, my husband says I need to make a sign for our bar that says it's 9 o'clock somewhere. Because obviously I won't have a drink till 9 p.m. Because if I do, it's just going to make me want to go to sleep. Squats, I thought you said shots again. So some of these are drawing, some of these are cut. Drink mode, on. Nurses need shots too. I bet they do, especially after COVID. I like this one. Some of the best times you will never remember. All right, so we got a whole bunch of those there. Some like are cut files, some are the drawing. See what else we got. All right, we got some transportation around town. We had some transportation last week too. Let's see what these look like. Cruise ship. I can't wait. We're going on a cruise in February. My kids, it'll be their first one. Sorry guys, I am like sick. My throat is swollen. So bad. Oh, that's transportation from a long time ago. This is what my kids think we apparently went to school in. You know, like, how old are you? I did not old enough for a covered wagon, sir. All right, so we got some campers and cars and trucks. Several different skateboards here. You got a skateboarder in your family. A little moped. I love those things. I don't like riding them, but they're fun. I rode one when we were in the Bahamas, and it was the most frightening time. I almost crashed it. I had to jump off of it. I'm like, never again. Never again. I just prayed the entire time. That is not for me. I need like sides on the car, something to hold me in. All right. And now we got realistic cabins. Some more cabins here. It's a weird cabin. What is that? It's not telling me. So you got some more cabins. All right, shabby chic Mother and Father's Day phrases, because that will be here before you know it. I am thinking of you on this Father's Day. Oh, that's super sweet. For your mother-in-law, thank you for raising the man of my dreams. Happy Mother's Day to the best dog mom. Oh, because our pets are babies too. So even if you don't have human babies, you might have fur babies. I love my two moms. Cute. Sending you lots of love on Mother's Day. Oh, thank you for loving me as if I was your own. It's perfect for a step-parent. Celebrating you today, birth mother. That's awesome. Adoption is a beautiful thing. I was told I couldn't have kids, and we were in the process of an adoption, actually, when I finally got pregnant. So, adoption is so beautiful. Especially they have it open and they're able to still see how their child's doing. And you can stay connected. I love My Two Dads. Oh my gosh, that used to be a show. Like in the 90s. My Two Dads? Wasn't it called My Two Dads? Happy first Mother's Day. Sleep deprivation never looked so good. If it's your first year being a mother, I'll just say hang in there. Hang in there. World's greatest stepmom. I mean, how happy would that make you to get that if you were a stepmom? They're super important too. They choose to be in their life. Two moms are better than one. You're all the parent we need. Aww. That is for the single moms out there who do it all. Bless you guys. Double the moms, double the love. That's super cute. Super cute. It is so hard to talk, guys. My throat hurts so bad. So this isn't going to be too long because I am literally can't get through. I can't hardly talk. All right. Happy Mother's Day to my dear surrogate mother. Sweet. Very sweet. All right, so that is the image set, Shabby Chic Mother. What else do we have? Hold on, guys. I got to take a drink because my throat. All right, we have the Wild West rodeo phrases. We had a couple rodeo ones last time, too. Rodeo must be in. This ain't my first rodeo. I run this rodeo. Life isn't always rodeos, horses, and cowboys, but it should be. I like this rodeo, y'all. All right. So that was the Wild West. Let's go back now. Okay. We got cat yoga. We had sheep yoga last week. So now we're upgrading to cat yoga. Because I'm in those. Cats kind of do yoga all the time. Don't it look like they do yoga? You ever seen them clean themselves? That's got to be some kind of yoga move. I'm always impressed by their limber. All right, beautiful blossoms. 92 images in this one. Again, this is an Access. Gotta be an Access member. This is a succulent. Succulents are popular. And we got some different flowers and some grass. It's about, what is that? What is that? Okay. Looks kind of like an eyeball, right? Looks like an, oh, it's a poppy. Okay. I'm like, what kind of flower has an eyeball in the middle? What is that? All right, so some different botanical ones there for you. This one's simple circus images. Okay, we had a new circus set last week too. We got a seal. Did they even? I haven't been to a circus in years. I mean, COVID kind of canceled that, right? But I was like, seal. I don't think I've ever seen a seal at my circus. Elephant on the little ball. I've seen that. The little, what do you call those people? A hoop acrobat? An aerialist? A tightrope walker. A zebra. Of course, you can't have a circus without some clowns, right? There's a juggler. Psychic. You gotta have the ringmaster. No circus is complete without a ringmaster. All right. Circus images. And now we have Wild West Western t-shirts. Cutest little cowboy. Hotter than a $2 pistol. Some of these again are you can draw or cut. Like the Southern Belle raising hell. That's cute. It's a cowgirl thing. Aw, if my horse doesn't like you, I probably won't either. I need to make a shirt that says if my dog doesn't, or my cat, anyone. I trust my animals. They like pretty much everyone. And if they don't like you, I'm like, what is it about you? They know something I don't. Cutest little cowboy. Hotter than a $2 pistol. If you want a stable relationship, get a horse. That's funny. All right. Then we have some healthcare workers continuous line drawing. 42 images of that. These are going to be access also. So some of these you can cut like this one here, but then these are drawing. Doctors and nurses. All the wonderful people. All right. And it looks like this is our last new set of the week. These are, ooh, and it's rainbows. I love rainbows. All right, this is boho rainbow designs. Oh, it looks like some of these are kind of, they're boho, so kind of like doodles. I don't know about you guys, but I was a doodler. I was definitely a doodler. This is cute. I like the different layers in it. Boho's really in too. And boho rainbow, I seen like some stuff at Hobby Lobby that would go with this perfectly. A little kitty with the rainbow. I like that. Teddy bear with the rainbow. Cute. I like the little cloud with the hearts raining down. Showering you with love. That's cute. I like that. These remind me of my doodles, actually. I would doodle. Rainbows were one of my favorite things to doodle, honestly. I always loved color. I always liked colored pens and coordinate them. This, again, looks like one of my doodles when I was a kid. So, it looks like that is everything in the new image sets, guys. So there you go. Now, we'll normally do these live, but like I said, Alex had a doctor's appointment today, so he wasn't able to, and I can't do live yet because I don't have the software yet. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's April again. It's April now. Like, how did a whole nother month go by? But anyway, you guys, happy April, and don't forget it is April Fool's Day, so try not to get fooled today. I know Melody loved April Fool's Day. We used to do pranks. I remember the time me and my brother actually went in her apartment many years ago, and we took everything in her kitchen and rearranged it. So every drawer we put somewhere else, every cabinet we put somewhere else. She woke up like, what happened? But she loved pranks. So I remember the saran wrap into the car. I remember then somebody got back to her and forked her yard and stuck plastic forks all in it. So Melody liked April Fool's Day. But don't get too fooled. So until next time, guys, happy crafting. I hope you guys all have a happy weekend. And I will see you guys next Friday. And it should be on live again, because we love doing that when we can chat with you guys and see what you want to see. So you guys have a great weekend. Alrighty, bye.